Okay, we have a Toyoda-Wele Stealth 965 Vertical Machining Center, model AA965, serial number 11083. This machine was new in 2012 and it is running. Machine has a FANUC OIMD control. It is set up to accept a RENISHAW part probe. It has a 43.3 by 25.6 table. 4,500? 2,500. It goes up to 8,000 RPM. It's a Cat 40 spindle. 4,000. It has a 35.4 inch X-axis travel capability, 25.6 in the Y and 23.6 in the Z. 6,000 RPM. It's a boxway machine. Machine also has a chip conveyor. Telescopic weight covers all axes. We're going to do a tool change. It has a 20 ATC side mount tool changer. The second one. All right. That's your Z. Your Y. And your X. Okay, those are your axes. Thank you for watching our video.